Chapter number 15, Statistics. Okay, first we'll learn about the basic concept. Okay, consider the two batsmen, batsman A and batsman B. Let two batsmen play 3 matches. Match 1, match 2, match 3. Okay, batsman A score 0 runs in first match, 50 runs in second match, 100 runs in third match. Okay, batsman B score 60 runs in first match, 40 runs in second match, 50 runs in third match. Okay, batsman A total plays 3 matches and score total 150 runs. Okay, batsman B also play 3 matches and score 150 runs. Both the runs are same. Okay, now we need to find who is stable, batsman A or batsman B. Who is more stable and who is less stable. Okay, according to the statistics. Okay, consider batsman A. Variation is more. 0 to 50 variation is more when compared to 60 to 40 variation. 60 to 40 variation is only 20. Okay, 60 minus 40, you'll get 20. Okay, 0 to 50 variation is more. 50 to 100 variation is more, 50. Okay, here also 40 to 50 variation is only 10. Okay, so variation is more in batsman B when compared to, batsman A when compared to batsman B. Variation is less for batsman B. Okay, now who is more stable? Okay, now 0 runs 50 is very less stable. Batsman A is less stable. Okay, now batsman B is more stable because he is getting the score in every matches. So he is not getting 0 score. Okay, 60, 40, 50 is very nearby to 2-digit score. That's why batsman B is more stable. That's why batsman A is less stable. Okay, na? In statistic chapter, you'll come across mean, median. Mainly, all the question will be asked about the mean, about the median itself. Okay, mean is nothing but x bar is equal to 1 by small n into summation I varies from 1 to n xi. Okay, this is the general mean formula. Okay, then median formula is equal to if number is odd. Okay, the given xi is odd means n plus 1 by 2 to term observation. We need to find the median class. Okay, if the number is even, if n is equal to 5 means odd, you need to use this formula. If n is equal to 6 means even, you need to use this formula to simplify. Okay, n by 2th term and n plus 1 by 2th term divide by 2th term. Okay, these are the observation you need to use to find the median according to the tabular column. This will be explained while solving in the problem. Okay, next, measure of dispersion. Okay, this is main. Okay, this is the basic concept. Okay, first one range, second one mean deviation. Range definition is maximum observation by minimum observation. Okay, maximum observation minus minimum observation. Like more range, less range. More variation, less variation. Less stable, more stable. I have given example before by taking two batsmen. Similar, that will be best example for range. Okay, now next, second one, mean deviation is equal to sum of deviation by number of deviation. Sum of deviation, adding the given data, sum of deviation. divided by number of object count, number of count, how many digits are there, how many xi are there, that is nothing but n. Okay, mean deviation shortcut is MD. Mean deviation short form is MD. Okay, deviation for group data. Mean deviation of group data consists of discrete frequency distribution, continuous frequency distribution. First we'll go with the discrete frequency distribution. Okay, this formula should be used only when x and f are given as the data in the given question. Okay, f is nothing but frequency. Okay, if in question find the mean deviation about the mean is asked, means find the mean deviation for the group data about the mean is asked, means you need to use mean deviation formula is equal to summation I varies from 1 to small n. Okay, fi into module xi minus x bar all divided by capital N. Okay, this is the mean deviation formula for group data about the mean. You need to find x bar. X bar is equal to 1 by capital N into summation I varies from 1 into small n xi into fi. Okay, na? Then n is equal to what is capital N? Sum of frequency. By adding all the frequency, you will get one value. By adding all the term, you'll get one value, that is nothing but n. Okay. Next in question, find the mean deviation about the mean is asked, means you need to use mean deviation formula is equal to summation I varies from 1 to small n fi into xi minus m all divided by capital N. Okay, only you have to use this formula only when x and f is asked in the question. If only x is asked in the question, means you need to use mean deviation for ungrouped data formula. Okay, now here you need to find m. M is nothing but when m is nothing but median when n is equal to even, m is equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term all divided by 2 observation. Okay, this will be the median class for n is equal to small n is equal to even, when small n is equal to odd. Okay, when small n is equal to even means 4, let it be 6. 6 is even. You need to use this formula to find m and you can substitute m here. Okay, when n is equal to 3, 3 is odd na. Odd means m is equal to, when n is equal to 3, n is equal to odd, m is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 to term observation. That will be your median class. Okay, you can identify m and you can substitute in this formula. Okay, here also n is equal to sum of frequency. By adding all frequency, you can find capital N. Next, mean deviation for group data. Second one, continuous frequency distribution. Okay, continuous frequency distribution, this formula should be used only in this kind of problem is asked in the question. Find the mean deviation about the mean by giving this kind of question. Okay, now about the mean. First one, about the mean. Find the mean deviation for the group data about the mean by giving input as this type of question, means mean deviation formula is equal to summation I varies from 1 to small n f into, this is nothing but frequency. You need to find the xi. Okay, xi module xi minus x bar all divided by capital N. This is the mean deviation formula in continuous frequency for group data. Where x bar formula is equal to 1 by capital N summation I varies from 1 to small n fi into xi. X is not given in this question, you need to find by middle term. Okay, na n is nothing but sum of frequency. By adding all this frequency, you will get one number that is nothing but n. Okay, na there is another formula for x bar. X bar is equal to a plus summation I varies from 1 to small n f I into d divided by capital N into h. Okay, this is the another formula which is used in only continuous frequency distribution. Okay, where d is equal to xi minus a by h. D formula is nothing but xi minus a by h. Okay, about the mean is over. If in question find the mean deviation for group data, about the median is asked means about the median formula. Okay, mean deviation formula is equal to summation I varies from 1 to small n fi into module xi minus capital M all divided by n. Capital M is nothing but median. Okay, you need to find capital M. M is nothing but L plus n by 2 minus C by F into H. This is the formula of capital M. Okay, where n is equal to same sum of frequency. Okay, sum of frequency. To find the median value in distribution formula, you have used when n is equal to even, when n is equal to odd. For this continuous frequency distribution, to find a mean deviation for group data, you can use directly this formula. M is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C by F into H. Okay,